I'm Sandro. This is Beluga. Welcome to our channel.
We're somewhere in Oregon?
Washington.
Washington. This is how basically my life goes most of the time. So what's on the menu, chef?
We've got pasta.
I invited her on a date. She's the one cooking. Eten is een taak, which is in Dutch means everybody does their job. And my job is to stay out of the way out of the kitchen.
Yep.
Get myself occupied with the campfire. So tonight is my first night actually having a guest. Well, not any guest, Kristie. In my mobile home. And we're gonna take the kitchen out that I built about 6 months ago. I designed it in a way where I could take it out and have an extra space to sleep in. So basically it's like when I first had my Tesla with no setup, completely flat. So, fuck.
Is it okay?
So my camera broke. Dropped it. But my task right now is to make a campfire. So I have this fire starter kit that I bought a couple months ago for the trip to Alaska. So I'm using it today because it's pretty difficult to start a fire. My fire creation skills are not up to par right now. It's very difficult. So you can see that's just all moisture pretty much evaporating. I think I got an idea. We have a tea kettle and we can warm up some of the water and then put the rest over there.
I love that idea.
Genius.
Whoops.
A little bit of a disaster.
Ryan started the fire! It was always burning since the world's been turning! Ryan started the fire!
Yeah, so the story I was trying to tell before all this nonsense happened. After I went to Alaska and I saw pretty much everything I could see, came back to Portland to hang out with Kristie. Oh, that's all. Fuck. Did not. I was touching that. Anyways, yeah, and now we're here.
Now
Hanging out on a date night in somewhere in Washington, some national forest near Olympic Park. Of course, I'll put the coordinates down below in the description. Oh god. That smells like burnt plastic.
Yeah?
Oh dude, I'm scared to eat it.
Why?
Because it's burnt plastic.
It's not in the pasta. You only live once.
Well, you're gonna live really shortly if you
life.
So, first thing, I have to remove the zip ties, which is the anchor to my base, my kitchen. Done that. We're gonna keep the battery in here, but we're gonna take the kitchen out. It should be fully removable now. Push it higher, okay. Okay, right there. All done?
All done.
Hopefully no bears.
Go eat and fuck.
Huh? So when I initially built this out, I cut this second substruct piece in half in case I had a date, and it turned out it took almost 6 months for me to accomplish that. And which means I basically have the full setup again that I had when I had my Model X from day one. Look at that.
Aren't you cute?
We're gonna have so much space.
Yeah, this is your bed. We're not even sleeping on it.
Yeah, I think it wants to go underneath.
Yeah, your mom little. I know. Oh, that's good.
Well, so if he approves, we should be able to sleep very comfortably. How we're cheering?
For freezing cold pasta.
Yes.
I can't even get any on my fork. There we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes, it stops squeaking. Okay, Benny's eating. Anyways, I want to know in the morning. Because it's right. When we eat, he eats. So.
Yeah.
But I want to know in the morning.
We're in a pack. You are part of our pack.
It's true.
Welcome.
Thanks. I do want to know in the morning what your experience is like. Because you did van life for 3 years.
You just have to tell him to have a little bit. Oh, come on, Brad. You should do it.
Good morning.
Morning.
It's probably one of the best nights I've ever had sleeping in my Tesla because I had great company. And just like any good morning, we're gonna make some
Coffee.
And thanks Fruble for sponsoring this video. This is the Fruble, designed and crafted in British Columbia by my friend, who I'm very close to, Jimmy. The guy that basically started this whole revolution living inside your Tesla. This is designed for not only your frunk, but your trunk. And it's perfect for road trips or camping like we're doing today, because we're gonna make coffee with this. Fits all Tesla models and can be easily set up with 2 arm supports. And all you do is flip it after installing the little arms. Then you attach the latch using this middle piece. Grab the long support arm. Best part, it can support up to 40 pounds, so 7 Bennies can be on top of this. And this is the final production run that Jimmy is doing with the front tables. So use my promo code Sandro down below in the description to get 5% off your purchase. But if the front table is not for you, you can also check out his camper box kit that he recently launched for the Tesla Model Y. Built and designed by somebody living full-time in this Tesla. So he's definitely an expert.
So you wake the coffee up. You let it sit for like, 20 to 30 seconds.
And this is your morning coffee routine?
Yep. Every morning. You're supposed to do a circular motion.
And how did you sleep last night?
I slept great. How'd you sleep last night?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Because I had great company.
And it was like not cold.
Because
It's cold outside, but the climate, the cabin control, is that what it's called?
Climate control, cabin control, the same.
Yeah, it's clutch. It's nice.
So you also did van life, right? How long did you do it for?
Off and on 3 years.
And what kind of setup did you have?
So I had a Dodge Caravan that was completely gutted. And my first build, I had the bed in the back. So when you like opened it up, it was like that cool like bed looking out. And that was cool. But then my van was stolen and they gutted it. So then I got to rebuild it again with a better layout that I liked so much better because I was a solo traveler. So I built half of the right side was the bed. So this was all a bed. And then there was like a little hallway, I like to say.
So I gotta ask.
Okay. Oh no.
I'm kidding. Is this the best date you've been on? One of them?
Oh, hands down, best one ever. I've never had a better date than this.
She said yes, guys. I'm kidding.